A ginger cat named Rusty lived with an old woman named Agnes. Agnes loved Rusty, but he was always seeking adventure. One sunny afternoon, while Agnes was napping, Rusty slipped out the window, eager for exploration. He explored the vibrant garden, chasing butterflies and batting at low-hanging leaves. His curiosity led him to the bustling town square, where he encountered a group of mischievous squirrels. A chase ensued, with Rusty tumbling into a muddy puddle. Slightly bedraggled, he returned home. Finding Agnes awake and worried, Rusty snuggled into her lap, realizing even adventurous cats need a warm home.